Poco laptops may launch in India very soon. Ever since Xiaomi's Poco became an independent brand, the company has been selling smartphones in India. While Poco planned to expand its portfolio with truly wireless earbuds dubbed Poco Pop Buds earlier this year, it appears like Poco may enter the laptop segment in the country before that happens. As spotted by tipster Mukul Sharma, two laptop battery models have recently passed through the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) certification website. The battery models, R15B02W and R14B02W, are listed under both Mi and Poco brands. Poco Laptop, a rebrand Mi Notebook Pro 15? The battery model R15B02W belongs to the Mi Notebook Pro 15. In case you're unaware, Xiaomi launched the Mi Notebook Pro 15 in China this June. In fact, searching for the battery model directs us to the AliExpress listing of the Mi Notebook Pro. Although this is not conclusive evidence, this suggests that the first Poco laptop could be a rebrand Mi Notebook Pro. Given Poco's track record in rebranding Xiaomi's phones, it won't be a surprise if this actually turns out to be the case. That said, since this is quite early to speculate, we suggest you take this with a grain of salt and wait for the official confirmation. Poco is not the only smartphone brand that has shown interest in the laptop segment. Earlier this week, Nokia launched its PureBook X14 lightweight notebook in the country. Seeing more brands show interest in launching new laptops in India is good for customers as there are more options to choose from. It will be interesting to see if this trend catches on going forward.